Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rice ball molds is probably one of the most fun and creative ways to get your kids excited about mealtime. These handy kitchen gadgets transform ordinary rice and fillings into adorable shapes, making food preparation a breeze for busy parents. In this video, we'll explore a variety of rice ball molds, comparing their ease of use, design, and overall value to help you find the perfect set for your little ones. Number 5. Cute Onigiri DIY Rice Ball Molds, 10 PCS Set. This Onigiri mold set includes various cute shapes like rabbit, triangle, and heart. It offers a total of 10 molds to meet your daily needs. You can create a delicious rice ball feast for your family. These rice ball molds are made of quality PP plastic, making them reliable and reusable. They are light in weight and easy to carry. You can use your imagination to create interesting expression rice balls. The molds can quickly make small sushi or rice balls, and the cute patterns are full of appetite. It makes your kids like eating rice. You can easily put rice and ingredients into the mold. This sushi rice mold is suitable for every sushi beginner. The Onigiri mold set is easy to clean. Just use warm or cold water with detergent to rinse it off. Keep it dry for the next use. This sushi maker mold set is small and easy to carry. It's perfect for camping, picnics, traveling, and home parties. It is a great choice for various occasions. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of cute shapes, perfect for making mealtime fun. It's also super easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking to create a diverse and adorable lunch, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They're so easy to use, they look perfect and so similar to the ones you buy in a Japanese restaurant. Easy to clean, perfect size for single servings. My kids are 10 and 7, they could use every aspect of this without any help. Number 4. Cute cat rice ball molds and bento accessories. Introducing a fun and easy way to make lunch. This set helps you create cute cat-shaped rice balls. It is perfect for making mealtime more enjoyable for everyone. This complete set includes everything you need. It comes with cat rice molds, vegetable cutters, and even a triangle onigiri mold. It makes preparing a bento box simple. Made from safe and durable materials. The set includes PP, ABS resin, silicone, and stainless steel. You can rest assured that it is safe for your family. Ideal for home, picnics, and parties. Whether it's a school lunch or a special gathering, this set adds a touch of fun. It is great for sushi restaurants too. Make mealtime fun and appealing for kids. The cute shapes encourage children to eat their meals. It is a great way to make healthy eating enjoyable. This set is designed for ease of use. It is simple to create beautiful and delicious meals. It is a perfect tool for both beginners and experienced cooks. What we like. This kit is a complete set, including molds and cutters for creative bento boxes. The cat theme is super cute and appealing to kids. If you have picky eaters or want to make lunch more exciting, it will be a great choice. What people say. The rice balls came out perfectly formed. Easy to use and clean. The molds are the perfect size for little hands. Number 3. Cute cat sushi mold kit for kids. This kit includes everything you need to make fun and delicious sushi. It comes with various molds, including cat, triangle, and heart shapes. You'll have plenty of options for creating a delightful meal. Made from high-quality PP material, these molds are designed for easy use and cleaning. The special non-stick surface ensures the rice won't stick. It makes the process simple and enjoyable. With different styles like rectangle, triangle, and heart shapes, you can create a beautiful lunch. Use it to prepare a fun and happy meal for your family. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. Simply scoop rice into the mold, press it, and pop it out. The instructions are included on the box. You'll be making perfect sushi in no time. Perfect for homemade meals, sushi restaurants, picnics, and parties. It's a great way to create unforgettable memories with family and friends. This set is versatile for any occasion. What we like. This set offers various shapes, letting you create diverse and fun lunches. The non-stick material makes it easy to use and clean. If you like versatility and ease of use, you'll love this one. What people say. The rice balls came out perfectly formed. Easy to use and clean. The molds are great for making fun shapes. Number 2. 2-pack Dinosaur Silicone Mold. Introducing a versatile mold perfect for kids and adults alike. This mold lets you create fun dinosaur shapes with ease. It's great for parties and everyday fun. This mold isn't just for one thing. You can make chocolates, candies, jello, and even ice cubes. It's a must-have tool for both cooking and crafting. Made with high-quality, BPA-free silicone, this mold is safe and durable. It's microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making it super easy to clean. The flexible material makes it easy to pop out your creations without breaking them. Cleanup is a breeze, just wash it with warm, soapy water or put it in the dishwasher. Get the kids involved in making vitamin gummies or fun snacks. It's ideal for birthday parties, baby showers, or any celebration. The possibilities are endless. Go beyond food and use it for pet treats, baby food, or even decorative items. The only limit is your imagination with this versatile mold. What we like. These molds create fun dinosaur shapes for various treats. Made from food-grade silicone, they are safe and easy to clean. If you're planning a dinosaur-themed party or want to make fun snacks, it's the perfect choice. What people say. The rice balls came out perfectly formed. Easy to use and clean. These molds are great for making fun and creative lunches for kids. Number 1. Cute Animal Sushi Mold, DIY Bento Accessories. This all-in-one tool lets you make cute, 3D cat-shaped rice balls. It's perfect for preparing fun and delicious lunches for your kids. It will bring a happy meal to your family. The nori seaweed cutter can also be used as a cookie cutter or sandwich cutter. It's a versatile tool for creating various shapes and designs. This makes meal prep creative and enjoyable. Made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, this mold is safe and reusable. It's non-stick, flexible, and easy to clean, making it a great addition to your kitchen. It is also dishwasher safe. Each set includes rice ball molds, nori seaweed cutters, and a rubber mat. You can create many fun shapes with the small cutouts. This allows you to make creative and attractive meals. Even beginners can easily use this mold to create attractive rice rolls. The lovely model encourages your kids to enjoy their meals. Remember to pack the rice tightly before pressing. Great for picnics, lunches, and parties. It's a fun way to make mealtime special. This is a perfect gift idea for your love. What we like. This tool creates adorable 3D cat-shaped rice balls. It includes a seaweed cutter for added creativity. If you want a simple and cute way to make lunch, it's a great option. What people say. The rice balls came out perfectly formed. Easy to use and clean. The molds are great for making fun and creative lunches for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.